Welcome back, Hornets. It's a beautiful Thursday here at VCHS. We're your hosts, Anna Lou.
And I'm Kelly. Let's start out with today's lunch. Today we are having beef and bean burrito with Frito salad, fresh broccoli, carrots, oranges, and as always, cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I'm Emily, and here's today's top 5 news stories. Shipping containers tumble overboard in port on Long Beach. U.S. government sues Uber over disability discrimination. Mike Tyson and Floyd Mayweather Jr. agrees to 2026 fight. Arkansas school districts install 1,400 solar panels to meet budget shortfalls. Freddy steak burgers have been sold internationally equity groups.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
Deep respect for someone or something.
You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and the world will live as one. John Lennon.
We all ever go to restaurants. Let's find out what our Hornets think should be built between here and the middle school.
Morning, Hornets. Today we're going to be asking people what restaurant they would want built between the middle school and high school.
My name is Jake, and I feel like we should have a Chipotle built next to the high school.
My name is Aiden, and I would put an A&W right next to the high school.
My name is Zane Cummings, and I would build probably a burrito shop, some kind of.
I'm Mr. Salmons. The restaurant that I would add is Chick-fil-A.
So this is LeDuc. I would probably say Chick-fil-A if I could pick one.
After a dominant win over Mays South, the football team is on the road again this week. Let's take time to check in with the team.
Good morning, Hornets. I'm Brandon Kinsinger. Today we're asking the football team what they're most excited for this season and their favorite part of it.
Hello, my name is Adler Andrew Kuntz. I'm number 30, and my favorite thing about football is probably just like the bonds I get to like strengthen over just like being in the sport with like these people. And what I'm most excited for this season is just how much potential the team has to succeed. Position is like safety.
My name is Cooper Boone. I'm number 6. I play free safety and running back. My favorite thing about the season so far was beating Eisenhower and, celebrating in the locker room after. And looking forward to, just more games this year, more games to win.
I'm Jalen Morris. My number is 53. I play offensive line, and my favorite thing about football is, being with all my teammates, having fun. And then what I'm most excited for is playing against Salina South.
With the clouds and rain clearing out, let's take a look at today's weather.
Hello, my name is Madison, and here's today's weather. Today we will have a high of 79 degrees with sunny skies and winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And tonight's low will be 54 degrees with clear skies overnight and a slight wind.
And now it's time for a quick blast to the past. We leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.